Good morning, everybody. Michael the Maven. Today, I want to give you guys a heads up. We saw something very interesting in my 90-day group on Facebook where a user during Black Friday found an amazing deal on a 24-70 2.8 version 2 lens. It's a great lens, and he found it on Walmart for a very low price, $1,400 brand new. And when I saw it, I was like, wow, there was a couple red flags that went up right away. First is like, I didn't know Walmart sold lenses like that, of that quality. But long story short, it appeared that Walmart was selling a 24-70 2.8 version 2. I thought that was weird. The user purchased the lens and he got it. And I said, hey, when you get it, take a look at the warranty card to make sure that it has a USA warranty. And lo and behold, it was gray market. I'm like, what's going on here? And he's like, I bought it on Walmart.com. We went in and we looked in the fine print. There was this little teeny line that said it was sold by another retailer through Walmart.com, and that Walmart.com was not actually selling it. There's USA warranty products and there's gray market. USA warranty means that was the authorized channel for distribution from the company. I'm speaking generally. So when you see a USA product, that means that you can get customer support for it, that if there is an issue, you can return it or they'll fix it within a given warranty period. Gray market means it was imported through unauthorized channels. Even though it looks and operates the same, in some cases, the standards of manufacturing might actually be a little bit different. Some of the parts might be different. And the big thing is that gray market is not supported for warranty in the United States. That's the risk you're taking. That's the biggest risk. This isn't to say that all gray market is bad. I have done some homework and some research, and in the past, I was in a jam, I needed a lens. There was only one of them available where I was looking for it, and it was gray market, and I bought it, and that lens has been great. So there's some things to keep in mind, but what I definitely wanted to let you guys know, especially if you're a beginning photographer, is that sometimes companies will take advantage of your lack of knowledge. I call it customer illiteracy, where they say, well, this customer may not know about USA versus gray market. Let's just sell them a gray market one. And the tempting thing about it is that gray market products are usually far more affordable, talking about hundreds of dollars, in some cases even more, up to 1/3 of the price. We've seen it. And so when we're seeing all these red flags with the price of the lens being sold through Walmart doesn't sell lenses like that. Make sure that you read the fine print. That's just something I wanted you guys to be aware of. Gray market can work. I personally don't buy gray market when I can help it. I like having the full USA warranties. Take a look for that if you find a deal that's too good to be true. Take a look for that on eBay. A lot of eBayers do this as well. And sometimes we see legitimately good deals. Canon stuff coming from Canon. It's one of my favorite places to buy refurbished lens because it comes with a warranty and they've maintained it and they've put it up to specs. So just make sure that you're reading the fine print. If you find a deal that is too good to be true, ask if it's a USA warranty. In any event, thank you guys for watching. If you need help learning your cameras, check out one of my camera training videos. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you next time.